Welcome to Motoring Trends. Today we are going to learn about the new initiative taken by Ashok Leyland, which is the second largest commercial vehicle manufacturer in India. True to its slogan, Aapki Jeet, Hamari Jeet, the company has been striving to launch new products to be a winner to please customers, aiming to be a top 10 player in the global CV industry. The company has been fielding trucks and buses that are not only innovative but also functionally and aesthetically several notches above its own models. However, in the LCV with a limited range, the company's prospects in the domestic and export markets are limited. In India, it covers only 34% of the total addressable market. In the world, about 80% of the company's addressable market are left-hand drives, but they don't have products. So, in the domestic as well as in the export market, it has some impediments. Therefore, to address these gaps and with an aim to double the addressable market in the short term, Ashok Leyland begins its mission with the launch of BADA DOST. This signals the beginning of a slew of products from the company. To drive the vehicle, let us now move to R&D center in Vellivayal Chavadi, which is about 35 kilometers north of Chennai. Ashok Leyland has developed BADA DOST from scratch in 24 months. It is called BADA DOST since it is bigger in size, power, load body, tonnage, and engine capacity. There are two variants to this: i4 with GVW of 3,490 kgs and i3 with 2,990 kgs. Driving BADA DOST in the track is as impressive and enjoyable experience like a car or an entry-level SUV in terms of basic interiors. Much attention has been paid to the interior of the vehicle as the company wanted to give a car-like comfort. An adjustable steering wheel is provided for enhancing comfort of driving. It has a big cabin, a really big cabin. The vehicle is certified for 3 people, driver plus 2, and accordingly 3 seat belts are provided. Gear shift lever has been pushed to the console to make space for 2 occupants. This exercise also enabled to make it a walk-through cabin. It is essential for LCVs as the driver can get in or get out of the vehicle through either of the doors if the driver's side is not openable, perhaps due to tight parking or in the case of emergency and evacuation. In addition, there is provision for music system in the console, provision for speakers in the doors, and USB port for charging mobile phones. The digital instrument cluster is easier to view. The dual tone dashboard improves aesthetics and has 2 glow boxes, perhaps to have an independent storage for the driver and the co-driver. Elbow rest on the doors help the driver and the co-driver to comfortably rest their hands. Besides, it has a bottle holder like in the car. It also has utility space for keeping mobile phones, coins, and toll tickets. Fully forward cabin offers a broader view, thereby improving visibility. Collapsible parking lever facilitates folding seats and converting into a bed for the driver to rest. Now let us see the load body and the frame. BADA DOST has a large load body with 2.5 meters length for i4 variant and 2.86 meters for i3. The width is the same for both the models at 1.46 meters. The vehicle has an open channel frame in the chassis. The frame is fully flat from the rear of the vehicle till the back of the cabin. There is no pedestals nor brackets. It facilitates the operators to change the load body and install any other application to their choice. Coming to suspension, BADA DOST is provided with a dual-stage semi-elliptical spring at the rear for heavy-duty application, while in the front it has dual-stage parabolic suspension. While the i4 has 7 R15 LT tube-type tires, the i3 is fitted with 215/75 R15 tubeless tires, both fitted on 5.5 J into 15 rim. The vehicle has a turning radius of 11 meters and with a 206 mm of ground clearance. While i3 has a payload of 1405 kilos, the i4 can carry 1860 kilos. Both the models are powered by 1478cc BS6 engine mated to a 5-speed gearbox with a single diaphragm push-type clutch, delivering 80 HP and 190 Nm torque. The fuel tank can hold 50 liters of diesel. The vehicle has disc brake with twin port caliper at the front and drum brakes for the rear. Now let's see the exterior. To be manufactured at the company's plant in Hosur, the only element that carries the lineage of DOST in the new vehicle is the turn light indicator in the front. Though it has a new headlamp, the hockey stick turn light indicator has been brought forward from DOST. Looking from the front, you will get an indication as if you are seeing a happy man doll or an achiever celebrating the victory or the winning moment, with the two hands raised with a bend in the elbow. It is evident in the fascia and the headlamp. It is also apparent in the spokes of the steering wheel. The grille integrated bumper design helps decipher the impact forces in case of any eventuality, saving the occupants and pedestrians as well. It comes with a reflector, while a provision is given to retrofit the standard size fog lamps. The windscreen and its holding frame at the bottom have been packaged for left-hand and right-hand drive versions, primarily to accommodate the wiper motor. The angled A-pillar swept back through the roof and connect at the right angle to the B-pillar. The edges of the B-pillar appears to be planned in such a way that the trucks can be converted into a passenger carrier if the flat panel behind the driver is removed and given an extension with a high roof, which may perhaps look like the high roof Maruti Omni of yesteryears. To avoid door drumming effect, the pit enclosing the door handle is extended through a feature line, balancing the aesthetic element as well. Every line in the side and the fender are cohesively arranged that they establish a sensual and emotional focal point. The outside rear view mirror has been designed to gel it along with the external design elements. These initiatives avoid contradicting angles and make the cabin not only modern in design but functional. The company is also developing airbag, ABS, ESP and for BADA DOST. As I told earlier, we will see many more launches from Ashok Leyland in the LCV segment. Till we meet again, goodbye. Stay safe.